Hey everyone, this is Tony from Rolling Faith, and in this video I'm going to show three modifications that I made for my Runaway camper. Three camping tables. Since I got my camper, I had my camper about a year now. I've been trying to figure out how to get a table that's small enough, compact enough, folds, and will go over the fender of my Runaway. As many people know, the basic Runaways, the fenders are really weak. You can't step on them. You can't really put anything on them. And I've seen a couple different mods that people have regarding their putting a table there. But really wanted a small table where I could put my grill. That's really compact and that would fit under my awning when I have it popped up. So I think I finally came up with a solution. I first started off with plywood, then I started off using some cargo straps to hold it up, and I couldn't really find a table that was long enough. And then I finally found some extension legs on Amazon that you can add to the tables, and that's what I ended up using on my final camping trip. All three of these mods I actually used while I was camping, and so you'll see the different footages of each one of those. So I'll put links in in the description for everything that I got, and at the end of the video, please like and subscribe. Here's a view of my table set up outside my Runaway here at a campground, KOA campground that I stood at. I have the extended legs that you can buy on Amazon. I'll have the link posted. On each leg here, they come with these little bolts to screw it down, and they have these little adjustable pins. And there's four different levels of height, as you can see. I have it set to probably the second from the bottom, and with that it gives me just enough clearance or extra clearance above the fender so that it's not touching my marker lights. And it's just long enough. It's a 4-foot table, 4 foot by 2 feet, and you have enough clearance to open the door. And the only thing I had to do was just drop my propane grill, which again, not a big deal because I always take it off anyway because I move it around, my fire pit and stuff. And I have my Blackstone on it. So, pretty strong, pretty heavy. I don't have my pool noodle on here right now, but I would recommend a pool noodle. And maybe if you want to put a top or a tablecloth up here like I did in the previous videos, it's up to you. But I cooked on this at breakfast. Went pretty well, no issues, and I like it. It's faster than doing the cargo straps and all that stuff and some of the other ones. So I think this is going to be my setup and my mod that I'm gonna keep. Very easy, very portable. Everything folds. Everything folds in half. As you see, it's a folding table, and it's quick to set up. Here's a little hack that I do to get my table up. I'm going to take this table, I'm going to mount it up in the air, get it off the ground, right over this little fender. And I take two ratchet cargo straps on each side, so I got 4 together. I just hook them up the top of my roof rack. I got here a little tablecloth, or you can use a tarp. I just like the tablecloth because it has this little felt back, give it a little bit more cushion. and I just take a clip it on the top here of my U-bolts. And this is a little base I made out of wood. A little cushion. I actually got a piece of a pool noodle in here. Just around a piece of wood and some duct tape. I fit that there. So when the table lays on top, it doesn't touch the marking lights. Keeps it elevated a little bit. So, and some people might be saying, hey, why not just put the table on the floor? Why not just raise it up? I haven't found a table that's high enough that will actually go over this fender. The way I have it, it keeps it nice at almost waist level, so you can cook on it. And there you go. Got the table set up. This is why I like it a little high up. I haven't found a table where the legs are long enough. Some people take PVC pipes to extend it, use wood, but trying to minimize the amount of stuff that I carry. So here's a look at the cushion, the bracket that I made underneath. You see it's not touching the marker light whatsoever. Nice little gap. You see you can see the foam noodle I have back there. If you have a propane tank, you do have to take it off, but for me it's not a big deal. So I take it off. But I take it off anyway because I use this for my fire pit. So normally it's gonna come off anyway. So it's not a big deal. So yeah, so you gotta take it off so you can just slide it just half an inch, I guess, over it, but it's not touching. Straps are pretty strong. Straps are holding all four sides. It's holding up my Blackstone grill. All four. And it clears the door, as you can see. Got my daughter's head in there. Hanging out in a nice air condition. But it clears. I do recommend putting something here just to protect the door from grease being splattered and protect the windows in camper. So that's pretty much it on with my my setup of this little camping table mod. I'm also putting just some footage of the first hanging table that I kind of like played around with. I used some plywood and some hooks to hang it. This is also another good thing to do, but it was kind of too heavy and a little cumbersome to put into my Runaway and to travel with. So I kind of like the folding table, as far as, you know, it folds up flat. But it's just another idea that you can try. So, well, with that, I hope you enjoyed my video. This is Tony from Rolling Faith saying peace, love, and keep on camping. And please like and subscribe. Thank you. And that's it. Got a camping table supported underneath here. See the little brace that I made, and it's right over the fender. It's not touching the fender, so not too much weight on the fender. It's not too much weight on top. I got it all kind of like the weight evenly distributed. At least I think I do. So that's pretty much it.